how to clean one-time passwords from inbox on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and then click messages, and after that click these 3 points in the top corner. After that click inbox cleaner, and now unselect this one and this one, and that's it. Now just select delete the first one here, one time passwords, and click clean up now, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.